From dry, frizzy, sweaty, smelly, a little bit gross hair to really, really defined, moisturised and just bouncy curls. Is this all using Coco Eve? Let me tell you my honest opinion of the product, whether I'd recommend it to fellow ladies with 3C, 4A hair, how I applied it and my overall thoughts. So here's my honest review of the Coco Eve Like a Virgin Deep Conditioning Mask.
Hello beautiful people, my hair again looks atrocious. I've just come back from the gym and as always I'm a sweaty mess. It seems to be my everyday look that you're getting far too accustomed to seeing. And my hair is frizzy. I had it in a braid out, which was yeah, it looked great for the time being. I then did a lovely updo. This was a few days ago, and since then it's been gymming, keeping it up in a high puff, and it's just dry, sweaty, pretty gross. I mean, can you see what's going on here? There's not really much curl definition. There's a few bits curly at the end, but let me tell you, this is not great. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be washing my hair and trying out something that, I mean, all over Instagram has been talking about. Finally got myself my little hands on something that all of the real Instagrammers seem to use, which is the Coco Eve cute hair mask. I feel like now is a better time than any to actually try this out for size, especially when my hair is looking quite as disgusting as it is. So let's just try that out. So I'll be shampooing my hair and then I'm going to be putting this in, and then I'll be using this, which I love it when it comes through with a little gift as well. So just like my normal tangle teaser, this is just a cute one that says Coco Eve on it. Yeah, I'm going to be using this to detangle my hair in sections, and hopefully by the end, if everything goes to plan, my hair should be divine. That's what I seem to see when people use this on Instagram, and I don't really want to be the first person to come out and be like, no, my hair looks worse. We'll see how it handles or tames the frizz, puts a bit of moisture in my hair hopefully, and yeah, I will be as frank and honest with you as possible about how it makes my hair feel. So let me go wash my hair, let me put my head underneath the shower, and then I will be back in a few minutes. Well, I'll be back in a few seconds for you.
Okay, so here's the lovely packaging that it all came in. It's got two women on a horse in the sea, somewhere tropical. And it's also got some information about where you can find out more, cocoandeve.com, and all of the socials and so on. They want us to share the results, so that's always cute. A bit more information about the products. So then, once you delve further into the box, you've got this darling Coco Eve Tangle Teaser. I must say, I really appreciate getting something that's worth $15 as well as the conditioner. And then we've got this conditioner. I'm liking the colour scheme. I like it. I also see Like a Virgin again. Cute. Right, here is the consistency. It is thick, it is creamy. Apparently, legend be told, at the bottom of the pot there is a secret message written on it. I'm not joking, but I didn't use that much conditioner. So yeah, that's it. Quite a substantial amount of conditioner, and I'm a happy lamb. Let's get on with the tutorial.
And I've washed out the shampoo, and now I'm just going to apply the conditioner to see actually how well it detangles by itself. I'm still wearing a very smelly, sweaty sports bra, and the plan is, once I've got all the deep conditioner in, the mask, I can actually shower and get myself clean, instead of just dunking my head underneath the shower and just getting the whole bathroom floor wet. Let me smell it first, because I see lots of people saying how amazing it smells. Okay, I like it. You know how some people smell it and you feel like it's edible because they're like, that was on purpose. Oh no, it doesn't taste good. It does smell nice, just not something that I'd want to lick again, which I just did. Okay, thick, nice consistency. This is detangling nicely, let's just twist it up. That's looking pretty moisturised, if I do say so myself. Right, so it's all done. I don't have a plastic cap, so I'm going to just use a plastic bag. And then a trusty bonnet. and I'm going to shower, wash it out, and then I'll be back to give you my thoughts on everything. Okay, so I've washed my hair, put gel in, and I must say the definition is looking fabulous. It says to leave in for 10 minutes. I left it for an hour because I'm extra. And I got in the shower, I washed it away, and it just made the whole applying, leaving and gel experience a lot easier. For example, sometimes I'm a bit lazy, I'll co-wash my hair, so I'll wash my hair with conditioner and detangle it and then just move on to applying gel. If you do that compared to when you use a deep conditioner, you can really feel the difference in your hair. I always like using a deep conditioner. Sometimes I don't have time, but this is definitely something I will be using again in the future when I do want to deep condition my hair and give it a little bit of a treat, because I mean, definition wise, what are we saying? Once it's all dry and I'm all glam, I'll come back and I'll show you how my hair looks after that. Hello, and I am back, and my hair looks and feels so much healthier. Let me just give you a view. Like, the definition is insane. You do a wash and go like this any other day of the week and it wouldn't come out as defined as this. So the only thing, if we add all the calculations together, that has changed, which would make it different, is the deep conditioner. So let's actually talk about it. Looking at the label, let me go get the label. Now, I'm seeing on this label is 2 beautiful women on a horse in the sea on holiday. If we're gonna just talk about the elephant in the room, they're both white and they both got straight hair. So I'm gonna be completely truthful with you. When I first got this product, I was really hesitant because I thought to myself, how possibly can we have a product that works in my hair as well as their hair? I mean, my hair is a completely different texture. I can't just put a comb through it. Like, if you say it's going to detangle easily, how is it going to detangle easily this hair? But it honestly did. It made the whole detangling experience a breeze. My hair feels so much more moisturized than it was before. The smell, although I don't understand why people were pretending they wanted to eat it, and then because people were pretending, then I pretended, and then I actually did, and it didn't taste good. But yeah, besides the point, it smells good. Wouldn't go as far as to say it smells delicious. That's, to be honest, it doesn't taste edible or smell edible, and it definitely didn't taste edible, but it does smell nice. And the smell, it kind of lingered even though I washed it out, and I've obviously put other products in my hair throughout the day. I went to the gym as well, which, I mean, that's testament in itself that I went to the gym and it still hasn't gone frizzy, so that's a whole other story. But I went to the gym, I've gone about my day, and I could still smell it. So the smell's really nice. I tried to work out what it actually was that's caused my hair to feel nice. So yeah, I looked into it, and obviously it contains coconut, which, let's be real, natural hair products for curly girls like me, 99.9% of them contain coconut, but it also contains fig. I didn't know that figs were good for your hair. Clearly they are. It also contains shea butter, linseed oil and argan oil, which, I mean, all three sound an absolute treat. It's supposed to improve the texture and add shine. I mean, my hair does feel soft. I would say texture's improved just by how much more defined it is compared to how it normally would be. So I definitely feel like it fulfilled that promise. It says you should be able to feel a difference within one wash, which I definitely can. It says that you can feel like it's like a miracle within 10 minutes. Me being that person that craves more, I left it in for an hour, but it definitely did the trick. So I mean, overall, I'm really impressed. I really like the product. I would recommend it. I didn't think, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't think that I would be saying that, because I genuinely thought it would be for girls with long straight hair, maybe a slight wave, maybe type 2C, whatever. My hair is 3C, 4A. But it definitely has made my hair feel really soft, so I am impressed, and I can give it my thumbs up, my seal of approval. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you want to see how I styled my hair like this, it is partially wash and go, partially finger coil. So if you'd like a finger coil tutorial, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.